Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have some fun and fabulous kids party hairstyle that you can create in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. First up we have the twist ponytail. Start by dividing the hairs into two sections and twist each section, and then secure them together with an elastic band. The hairstyle is perfect and party and add a touch of elegance. And there you have it, fun and fabulous kids party hairstyle that you can easily create in just 5 minutes. We hope you find these ideas helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel for more hairstyle tutorial and party ideas. Till then, bye, take care guys, and thank you for watching my video.